Sobrang tender, sobrang lambot.
Emptied out my soul. You've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and almost still could feel the void.
Ano ba mga kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Mark Cunanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, nandito pa tayo sa Herrys Bistro. So this is the newest family restaurant dito po sa Barangay Cutcut along Friendship Highway, Angeles City.
So dito makikita natin yung kung ano yung mga sinaserve nila. So this is a good place for families na pwede nyo mag-dine in soon.
Actually, the best dito yung mga pizza nila, mga barbecue. They have a wide array of menu. So yun yung titignan natin ngayon.
So tara, let's go!
What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done.
Alright, so once again guys, thank you so much for being with us in this video. And kasama natin si TJ. Ayan, so hi ka TJ. Ayan, so we got a new friend on our table with us. And again, we would like to thank Herrys Bistro for inviting us. Grabe, ang dami natin pagkain.
Yes, ang dami natin pagkain. At the same time, napakaganda ng place.
Napakagandang place. Let's talk about the place. What can you say about the place, bro?
So the place is fully gas and accessible naman.
Ako naman nagustuhan ko dito, actually it's open air type yung restaurant natin. So gusto nila, continuous yung ano, yung
Continuous yung
ayaw
hangin.
nila yung contained na lugar. So I think that's one point for the site.
One thing here is yung plus points dito is family friendly.
Family friendly. Yeah, so if you notice guys, we have really long table. So you can have a group meal, a family meal, a barkada, a corporate. But then again, of course, automatic na yun. Dapat social distancing tayo.
On our table, meron tayong wide array of food dito. So, from barbecues, from pizza, burgers, chicken. So, ang dami.
Siyempre, umpisa natin dun sa kanilang pangmalakasan na fried rice. Yan, if you notice guys, this is not your plain rice. It has vegetables. I see some bits of meats. Meron din yan. Yan, titikman natin guys yung kanilang kalderetang kambing. Ooh, this is still hot. I'm also gonna try this belly lechon. Ayan. So available dito yan guys. I'm gonna get this. Whoa. Oh, another one. Oh man. There you go. Okay. And then lastly, I think I'm gonna try their soy chicken as well. Available yan dito. So if you notice, meron siyang black and white sesame. From the look of it, super crispy. And then later on, syempre, available din dito yung mga 4-piece pizza at saka the chicken pesto sandwich. So later, tikman natin yan. Sobrang tender, sobrang lambot.
Siyempre, hindi mawawala dito yung mga all-Filipino favorites natin na dish. So, meron tayo dito pancit canton, lumpiang gulay, and barbecues. Sa mga barbecues natin, meron tayong isaw, pork barbecue, tenga, and yung paldeon or yung chicken ass. So, kuha muna tayo nung pancit canton nila.
What do we do to love when everything's said and done? What do we do to love? What do we do to love?
So we have here is sisig, karera ng bangus, then the pasta bolognese, then we have tacos, then the belechon kare-kare, the kani salad, and yung pinagmamalaki nilang Herrys Ultimate Burger.
When everything's said and done, what do we do to love?
So ayun guys, sobrang dami ng pagkain. Gusto kong sabihin sa inyo guys na everything that is being cooked here, from the bread to the dough to the taco shell to the everything, all is being cooked dito sa restaurant na to. So yeah, good job chef.
What do we do to love?
And guys, so sobrang dami ng mga dishes na pin-prepare sa amin. Sobrang nabusog kami. So what did you enjoy most?
Nag-enjoy ako most is yung kanilang kalderetang kambing. So unang-una napakalambot, at the same time napakalasa. Mapaparize ka sa sobrang sarap.
Papares ka to. How about you, TJ?
So my favorite is their fried rice and their Arellano bangus.
Arellano bangus.
Yes, because the skin is so crispy. Tsaka yung seasoning tama lang.
Alright. So sa akin naman guys, siguro pareho kami ni Mark. Yung number 1 ko is yung kanilang kalderetang kambing. And I think this is one of the best seller nila dito. Galing, ang sarap ng pagkakaluto niya. And at the same time, yung belly chon, sobrang lambot. Yung spices niya talagang maapaw yung aroma kapag kinakainin mo siya. So you have to, find it yourself. You have to figure out yourself kung sobra talagang sulit yung pagkain nyo or yung pagpunta nyo dito sa Herrys Bistro.
When everything's said and done.
So lastly guys, they sent us 3 of their desserts. So sa akin, brownies.
Sa akin naman yung leche flan. Ayan.
And mine is the
Blueberry cheesecake. Thank you so much for joining us, DJ.
Thank you very much.
Hopefully marami pang mga collaboration magkikita natin na lang.
Surely.
Yeah, alright. So, guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, make sure to like it, make sure to share it with your friends, and yeah, check out Herrys Bistro dito po sa Barangay Cutcut, along Friendship Highway, Angeles City.
So this is add to your option sa mga family-friendly restaurant na pwede yung puntahan after lockdown. And that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
What do we do to love?